Hey, Bounce.io here, and today we are reviewing an app called Kitchen Stories Recipes, thousands of dishes to enjoy. So sometimes you're just chilling at home, being miserable, crying, not knowing what to do, not having any idea what to eat. And Kitchen Stories Recipes is there for you. So it's one of those apps you download that have a bunch of recipes that you can check out. So currently it has a rating of 4.8 from 78 ratings, and also it's number 22 in the food and drink category on the App Store. And that's a pretty good rating. I also love the icon. It's kind of minimalist. There's a small gradient, and I love the squiggly lines. So this will really stand out on your homepage, which I like. Let's look at some of the screenshots. I think these are really beautifully designed. So delicious new recipes every day. Step-by-step cooking. Video instructions are also included. Publish your own recipe. Save your recipes from the app or any other website. Use the intuitive shopping list. And also they have a dark mode, which I always appreciate. Dark mode is cool. Let's open it and start checking it out. The cool thing with this app is you do not need to actually create an account before you can start using it, which I appreciate. And it starts with the Today tab. So the app gives you daily recipes, which you can always find in this Today tab. And let's look at this one that's highlighted. So as you can see the image of the final product that you should expect. And then you can see some of the information about it. So here they've written a quick blog maybe about this specific recipe. And if you open, for example, let's see, a spicy mushroom ragu that rivals your favorite bolognese, plus it's vegan. So I guess these are just articles that they write for you that you can read more about certain meals. But if you'd now like to actually see an actual meal menu item that you can start cooking. So let's say that this one pot pasta catches your eye and it's something that you're interested in. You have a few options here at the top. First of all, you can like it, so you can refer to it later. You can save it to one of your cookbooks there. And then you can see, for example, who created it and those kinds of things. You can also see reviews, so people who've already made it. So let's see. So these are people who have created this meal item. You can see you don't need to exactly make the same thing. You can just use what you have at home. And then you can also write comments and send. So here you can see how difficult or easy it is. This one is easy. You can see how long it will take to cook. And whether if it needs baking, if it needs resting, that kind of thing. And then here you see the kind of ingredients you're going to need. So if you have, for example, 2 servings, so let me say I want 4 servings. It'll automatically calculate how much of each ingredient you need, and then you can add everything. Oh, I've already added it to my shopping list, as you can see. And I'll show you how that shopping list looks like. So you can see the kinds of utensils you need. You can see the even a video of the kind of techniques you're going to need to use, and you can also see nutritions. At the bottom here, you can see the various steps, and let me show you kind of the best thing about this app. So let's say I am now ready to cook. I have bought the ingredients. I just come here and I tap on Start Cooking. And then each page now is a step of the cooking process. So clean the spinach, cut the onion into thin strips, finely chop garlic and halve the cherry tomatoes. So then you tap on the screen and it moves to the next step. So as you keep cooking, you just tap and you finish each step, and it just nicely moves on to the next step. And then when you're done, you can take a picture and share it with the community. And that's pretty much it. So on this Today tab, you just come, you find a meal that looks interesting for you. Let's see. And then you pretty much you say I want 3 servings, for example. You add it to your shopping list. The ingredients have been added to your shopping list. You can even convert some of these items. So if you tap on this weight icon next to the Add Shopping List button, you will see various conversions for the different measurements that you have to do. So that's it. And then that's it for the Today tab. You just discover new stuff. For the Search tab here, you come and find a specific thing that you're interested in. Let's say I'm interested in making dessert. I can see some chocolate chip cookies, and it even has a video that I can check out. Let me see how fast these videos load. Classic chocolate chip cookies. And it's just a full ass recipe that you can check out and actually do in your own kitchen, and it follows the same process. You add everything to your shopping list, you go shopping, and then you come back and you say start cooking, and then it just shows you step by step what you need to do in order to create this amazing meal. And as you can see, they have so many options. You can do Asian, you can do meatless, you can do pasta, and you can even search for custom kind of custom items. So let's see, I've searched for pizza buffalina. There it is, looking so delish. And it follows the same process. So Today tab suggests things for you. In the Search tab, you can find items that you want specifically, and you can also create recipes for the rest of the community, and also add to that database. So if you have a nice recipe that you'd like to share with the rest of the world, you can come here, upload your photos, name your recipe, provide the steps, provide the ingredients that someone needs, and then people are gonna make it. So here's how the shopping list looks like now that we added this shopping list we added ingredients to our shopping list. So there's all ingredients, and as you can see, it's kind of a checklist. So if I'm in the supermarket, I'll just tap on basil, boiled potatoes, cherry tomatoes, chickpea flour, cucumbers flour. So, and as you can see, it's kind of a to-do list that you can easily check when you're in the supermarket, which I really appreciate. Then you also have your profile where you can save all your items. You can create cookbooks, which are collections of recipes, I guess, that you like. This is one recipe that I liked, for example, and it's, as you can see, I can find it here, and that's the core functionality of this app. So you find recipes that you're interested in, you can share recipes with the rest of the world, and it also helps you do your shopping for those recipes. In the preferences, currently I'm on the free plan, but if you try Cookbook Plus, you get an unlimited collection of recipes. You have recipes cooking in an optimized cooking mode. I'm not sure what that means though. And then you can access recipes from all your devices, and then that's for $22.99 per year, which I don't think is egregious. It's not that bad. It's slightly on the pricey side, but it's not bad. For the value that you're getting, I believe this is, if you cook a lot, it's not so bad. Forgot something else. As you can see, I'm currently in the dark theme, which I appreciate. It's there by default, depending on your system settings. You can select the languages you're interested in. You can even switch from US to metric, and also you can decide whether you want your videos to autoplay. And that's it for kitchen stories. I really like this app. I love the design, I love the attention to detail, I love how many recipes are there, and I will give this app a 9 out of 10. It's amazing. You don't need to pay any money to enjoy all the nice recipes, and I definitely recommend that you check it out. You can download this app. The link is in the description. Comment, like, subscribe, and suggest apps for me to review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.